Hello, happy Thursday. I think I'm live. It looks like it is. Yep. Hey guys, welcome to Walt Express blog. My name is Carrie Ponce and we are celebrating Christmas in July this week, and today I am going to share with you a fun no-bake gluten-free Christmas recipe, or Christmas kind of a craft. Hello, see you guys popping on now. My name is Carrie Ponce. I'm a blogger here at Walt Express, and we are celebrating Christmas in July this week. And if you want to go back after this video is over, there's a couple other Christmas in July videos, a fun window decorating and some vacation tips, if you want to go back and watch that after this one. Thank you. I thought I'd get my Christmas stuff out for Christmas in July. So I guess we'll get started. I see some people on, so I'm going to show you what ingredients you'll need to do these. It's no bake, so there's no reason for the oven. Everything is just kind of a grab and go. Kids will love it to decorate it. Hi Tammy, hi Vince, see you guys. So this one is going to be gluten-free, but you can also make it with regular Oreos too, if you're not gluten-free like I am. So an exciting thing that happened, I believe it was the beginning of this year, Oreo actually came out with gluten-free Oreo cookies. And these are the double stuffed and they have the regular. So all you guys to do is grab some regulars or some double stuffed or both like I did. And then I'm just kind of using what I got right now because we're still in July. They don't have the Christmas stuff out yet. But any kind of sprinkles, I got some red sprinkles, some of the little gems, and then some of your decorating icing to kind of make Mickey's pants, which you'll see in a few minutes. And then also I got some green glitter. Well, it's not glitter, it's sprinkles. And then I got these little white sprinkles to kind of use for Mickey's buttons. Like I said, I'm just kind of going with what I've got because Christmas isn't out yet. So during Christmas time, we could get like snowflakes and Christmas trees and like the little yellow stars and stuff like that that you could put on them. And then you'll also need these meltables, the red ones. I got these at Michael's craft store. You can get them on Amazon as well, but I went over to Michael's and got these. They were like $3.99, so it's not a very expensive project or craft either. So red meltables, Oreo gluten-free cookies, or regular if you want to do regular. Got some frosting, and then any kind of sprinkles that you want to put on. And then if you're not, if you're using regular and not gluten-free, you could use the mini Oreos for Mickey's ears, but they don't have the mini gluten-free ones that I've found yet. So I'm just using some round chocolates. It's actually just chocolate meltables for Mickey's ears for this time. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get microwave, I can't talk today, microwave safe bowl. And then you're gonna put in as many as you wanna do. I mean, if you're gonna do a bunch of cookies, you might want a bunch. So just kind of measure out however much you think you'll use. And with the red melts, I tested these over the weekend. Don't melt them until you're actually ready to start decorating because it's going to harden on the cookie and it also will harden in the bowl. So if you melt it too quick before you actually use it to spread on the cookie, you'll have to start over because it's going to be hard in the bowl. You're not going to get it out. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds and melt it, and then I'll show you how to put it on the bottom of the cookie. I'm going to pop this in the microwave real quick. Alright, and so while that's doing that, I already went ahead and put in Mickey's ears a little bit on there. Like I said, I'm using the chocolate rounds because I have not found the mini Oreos that are gluten-free yet. So I'm just going to use a chocolate round for his ears. So we're waiting on that to melt. I can just go ahead and put these in. It seems to work better with the double stuff because there's a little bit more space on the cookie. So with the double stuff, it just kind of goes right in like Mickey, like that. And then let's go ahead and check on that. Put these Mickey ears like this. The double stuff actually works a lot better. I did it with the thinner ones and they kept breaking on me. Of course, every time they broke them, I ate them, so that's kind of fun. But This double stuff is easier to get the Mickey ears in. Probably same with the little mini Oreos as well. So let me grab the melts. Alright. I'm gonna check it just kind of melts in the bowl, just kind of stir it around till it becomes like a frosting type mixture. You don't want to overcook it or it'll burn, and then like I said, it hardens really fast. So 30 seconds is about all it takes, and as you can see, it's stirring right into some frosting. Just kind of stir it around a little bit and get it all liquidy so it can spread on the cookie easier. If you go over 30 seconds, it's going to burn, and then you're going to have to start all over. If you're letting the kids do it, like I said, if you're just hopping on, don't melt this until you're actually ready to start decorating the cookies, because it will get hard too quick, and then you won't be able to spread it on the cookie. Alright, so that's good. Let me grab, you could use a spoon or you could use a knife. I got these little tiny ones. It's a little bit easier to spread, but you could use either one, whatever's easier. And then you probably could get like plastic spoons or plastic knives for the kids, be a little bit safer. Alright, so it's pretty much all there frosted now. So I'm going to go ahead and get these on here. And then what you want to do with this frosting, like I said, it hardens quick, so you want to be ready to put on your sprinkles or whatever you're going to add to it so that it can dry with the frosting and harden, because if you wait till after it hardens, they're not going to stick. Alright, so got our Mickey ears. Now we're going to take our frosting and just spread it kind of to the halfway part of the cookie here. Kind of make like Mickey pants or Santa pants, whichever one you want to call it. Kind of both for Christmas. Like Mickey pants, Santa pants. You just want to take it down to the halfway to the cookie. And it's going to be messy, of course. And they're not going to be perfect, because where's the fun in being perfect, right? So just kind of spread as much as you want, as little as you want. It's kind of, you know, to your discretion. Alright, so there's that one. See if I can show you without making a big mess. Kind of make it like Mickey pants. It's kind of hanging off there. Let's see. Alright. Well, it's ooey gooey. Alright, like Mickey pants. Alright, so then we're going to take and I'm going to use these little bead sprinkles. Put it right on the frosting. Kind of makes it like Mickey pants. And then we can use our decorative frosting. We'll kind of make him a belt to kind of line off his pants. Hey Vanda. Hey Carrie Ponce. Everybody's popping on. Alright, let's see. So just kind of take the frosting across the bottom half of where you put the red frosting. And it's messy, messy, messy. And then hang it off there. You got like Mickey pants, Santa pants. So you got like a little Mickey cookie. And you can kind of be creative with it. You can make them all like Mickey. You could just add sprinkles to the bottom, however you want to do it. Hey Amy, how you guys doing tonight? Thanks for jumping on. Alright, so for guys just coming on, I just wanted to let you know, reiterate, the red melts that you get to make the cookies, you want to melt them 30 seconds in the microwave, and you want to do it right before you're going to put it on the cookie, because it hardens fast. So, I mean, you don't have to go super fast, but you don't want to let it sit, you know, while you're doing other stuff, because you're going to lose it in the bowl. I found that out the hard way on Sunday, because I melted it first, and I was doing some other things, and came back, and it was like all hard in the bowl, and I'm like, well, guess I'm starting this over. So 30 seconds microwave right before you're ready, and then just kind of spread it as much as you want, little as you want. Make a mess everywhere, because that's the fun in it. Alright, and then so for this one, kind of get creative a little bit. I'm going to sprinkle on, where did it go? Just some little white gems. It'll kind of resemble Minnie a little bit, I guess, or the ideal of Minnie. Even though it's red like Mickey and Santa, but it kind of gives you that ideal of Minnie. So So sprinkle that on there. And then it's just kind of on there. And again, you want to do like your little belt to kind of make it like a pants on the bottom. During Christmas time, you should be able to find like snowflakes or Christmas trees or little yellow stars that you could put down on the bottom of his Mickey pants or Santa pants, whichever one you want to call it. So then there's that one there. Got his little ears and sprinkles. And then, let's see, let's do one. Let's see. We'll do one with the green sprinkles. Put some more down here on the bottom, like his pants. And then, you guys, while I'm doing this, tell me in the comments what your favorite Christmas dessert is, whether it's a Christmas dessert at home or a Christmas dessert at the parks, at the Disney parks. What's your favorite Christmas dessert? What stuff do you look forward to at Christmas that's sweet and not so good for us? Hey Allison, just seen your comment come in, thank you. All right, tell me what your favorite dessert is, guys. Mine obviously is cookies or anything gluten-free really that's sweet. I'm a foodie and I really love the sweets. And as long as it's gluten-free, it's for me, you know? Not gonna lie. All right, so then I'm gonna use the green sprinkles on this one. Try and get it to come out. Oops. All right. Green sprinkles. And then like this one, it's just gonna have like your green and red, makes it a little Christmassy. Don't necessarily have to put the belt on all of them unless you just want to. I think it's cute. Kind of gives that Mickey Santa pants look to them. Let's see what you guys are saying. Vince said oatmeal raisin cookies. Those are good too. Peppermint bark. Tammy likes peppermint bark. Anything gingerbread, cookies, cakes, etc. Yeah, I'm right there with you, Amy. As long as it's gluten-free, I'm right there with all the sweets. Love it. All right, I put a belt on this one. And then, see, I can use a couple more of the little white ones. Like I said, because it's July, there wasn't really a whole lot of Christmas sprinkles out, so just kind of playing with it, having fun with it this time around. But at Christmas time, we can have the trees and the stars and the snowflakes and all that fun stuff. And then for his ears, for those that are just coming on, I'm using the dark chocolate meltables for Mickey's ears this time. You can also use the mini Oreos. They just don't have the mini Oreos and gluten-free yet. I'm sure they will eventually, hopefully. But I'm just using the little chocolates to put Mickey's ears on, just to make them look Mickey. And the other thing is I've found that the double stuffed seem to hold the ears better. I tried with the thinner ones, and every time you put the ears in, it kind of cracks the cookie. So the double stuff actually works better for the ears if you're going to use the chocolate rounds. And then for those who do love cookies, Epcot has a cookie stroll. I don't know if anybody's tried it or not. It's a real fun Christmas kind of a tradition that Epcot's kind of started the last couple years, where you can go around the world eating different types of cookies. They give you a passport and you can find the different cookies at different kitchens throughout the World Showcase, and you can get a stamp every time you go and get one. So if you've been on the cookie stroll, what's your favorite cookie that you've had at Epcot? And which country did you find your favorite cookie? Peppermint Hershey Kisses. Oh yeah, those would be good too, Carrie. We actually could put those mini ones on these cookies too, just for fun. Mini Hershey Kisses just kind of on the bottom. That would be cute. Alright, and then I have some red sprinkles here. You really can't see it a whole lot with this frosting, but just for fun, we'll just throw it on there. Well, I mean, you can see it a little bit. It kind of gives it a glittery, kind of like a Santa Claus pants, more so than a Mickey pant. Let's see, okay. That one's all messy. All messy. Carrie says she loves it all. Alright, just gonna do a couple more here. If you guys have been on the Epcot cookie stroll, tell me in the comments what your favorite cookie was and which country you got it from. They have this fun little passport that you can get, and you go around and find the, well, you purchase the cookie, and then you get a stamp for every time you go around and get one. And it's a fun, like a little journey to go find and try them all. Unfortunately, I haven't tried a whole lot of them because there's not really a whole lot of gluten-free ones, but my husband likes to enjoy them when we go to Christmas time at Epcot. Alright. And then, as you can see, like I was telling you, it's starting to get stiff now, so when you want to decide how many cookies you want to do and kind of, I guess maybe go a little bit quicker than I am if you want to do a whole bunch of cookies when you're making them. Alright, so let's do another little Mickey pants, but with a flat sprinkle. Amy, you never been, it's on your bucket list. Definitely you want to go try it, Amy, you'd love it. Christmas at Disney is the best all the way around, but you know, of course we love the food any time of year, but Christmas is really awesome. With the decorations and the music and the Christmas trees, it's pretty amazing. Definitely something you would want to try out at least once or twice or 100 times, you know, up to you. Alright, a couple more here and use the rest of this frosting up. Let's see, Hershey Kisses, let's come in there. Comments are kind of moving in slow. Alright, so I'm going to put on some Mickey ears again. I'm using the little chocolate rounds for his ears. You can use the mini Oreos. If you're not gluten-free and you're using regular Oreos, you can use the mini Oreos. I'm using the gluten-free because of a gluten allergy. So I'm just using little chocolate ears. And then you can just kind of get creative with it, let the kids get creative with it, make up their own designs. And really, there's a lot of these meltables in different colors if you really wanted to just let them do different colors too. I mean, like multicolored lights. You do multicolored Mickeys. Kind of up to you. But it's easy, there's no baking, there's no oven turning on. It's really kind of an easy cleanup. Just put out some parchment paper or paper plates and let them sprinkle and go crazy, and then gather it all up, throw it away. So it's kind of quick, easy, fun, and they'll probably eat half of it while they're decorating. I'm not eating any of it because I'm on here with you guys, or I would be. And I actually had some earlier too. So then this one here, I'm just going to leave just like that, just red pants and a little belt. So it's that easy, that nothing to it. Gluten-free if you need to be gluten-free Oreos or regular Oreos, frosting, any kind of sprinkles you want to use. Christmas time they'll have more Christmas sprinkles. You want your red melts, 30 seconds in the microwave, no more than that or it's going to burn. And if you're gluten-free like I am and you can't find any gluten-free Oreo minis, if they haven't come out with them by the time you do them, these little chocolate melts work just as well for his ears. And the double stuffed Oreos work the best with putting the ears in so that the cookie doesn't crack. And that's about it. I appreciate you guys being here with me. If you guys are watching the replay, make sure you comment #replay and let me know that you were here so I can come back and say hello. Thanks guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week and come back tomorrow. We have another fun live with a Christmas ornament, and then also on Friday we're going to have a fun Christmas trivia with all of us together. So come back and check it out, and then also go back and check out the videos earlier this week, some vacation tips for traveling with kids at the holidays and decorating the resort windows with Christmas decorations Mickey style. So check it out. Come back and join us again tomorrow night. Thanks for being here. Bye guys.